Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Indian Londonites.
Yes, we welcome you back to our channel once again. Thank you for watching all our videos before. We really appreciate your support. We are holidaying in Bournemouth, which is in the south of England, and today is our day 4. Today we are traveling from Bournemouth to a place called Christchurch. Christchurch is known for sailing. They do have a sailing club, which we will explain you later. We took 2 boat rides in the river store. So we went on a river cruises. So you're gonna see how these 2 river cruises really went. So there were 3 places to choose from the group boating we did. One is Mudeford Beach, the other one is to Tuckton, and the third one was to Wick. We chose to go to the Mudeford Quays or the Mudeford Beach. You will see in the map how the journey went about from Christchurch. We went to this harbour and then we returned back. And after we returned back, we decided to take on another boating, which is a self-drive boat, which took us from the river store. From Christchurch, we went a long way. You will see in the map as well as we keep going along. And please make sure you watch this video till the very end, and you are going to really enjoy how this video is going to go. So we took 2 boat rides on the river store. The first boat ride was a group boat experience. We took our tickets from Christchurch and then we went along this river store on the east side. It took us all the way to Mudeford Quays beach, and then we stopped there and then we came back again to Christchurch.
Yeah, it's really gonna be an excited journey, and because ये मेरे लिए तो first time experience होगा कि sea water जो sea है, sea का back water है, उसमें हम boating करेंगे, and it's really gonna be amazing.
Yes, so we got a ticket only from Christchurch to Mudeford Beach because we wanted to take a part 2 boat drive, which is a self-drive. You will see later on what is to come.
Yeah, it's really gonna be an exciting journey, and because ये मेरे लिए first time experience होगा कि sea के back water में हम boating करेंगे. Wow, really gonna enjoy a lot. So हम इसमें अब हमारी turn आई, हम अब बैठ गए हैं, and wow, it looks so spacious as well.
आप जो देख रही हो, he is our captain, right? And he started steering the wheel, and then we started going into the backwaters in this river store. Just sit back, relax and enjoy. For those of you, if you have not subscribed our channel, please go back to our channel, press the bell icon, subscribe and receive all the notifications. Sit back, relax and enjoy our journey. You can see right in front there is another similar boat that's coming from the harbour, from Mudeford Quays beach. We were told that it takes about 45 minutes to go and come back from Mudeford's beach.
जैसे ही हम आगे जाते गए, हमने दूर से लैंड देखा. वाओ, एंड हमने साथ में घोड़े भी देखे वहाँ पे जो घास खा रहे थे. कितना अमेजिंग व्यू है ना, लाइक पानी, देन बैंक, देन वहाँ पे हॉर्सेस. वाह, ये तो बहुत रेयर व्यू है.
You know what? It's so true. This is what you get in a countryside. What a wonderful, amazing, eye-catching moment this is. This is nature at its best, and we really enjoyed.
Yeah, very true.
After about 20 or 25 minutes of a smooth sail on this river store, which opened up into to this beautiful backwater sea. We were very close to reach the Mudeford Quay's beach. This is close to the harbour. You could see it from the wind we were getting from the sea and the bright lights, and then the sunny day really helped us enjoy the moment. Okay guys, we have reached a place called Mudeford Quay. As you can see, we are basically tucked in and people are coming in. We initially thought to go around and see that beach. I'm going to show you. We thought we'd just go into this place, a small island, and we thought we'd spend about 45 minutes or so and catch the next one. We are quite happy. It wasn't such a long journey. We're not tired.
So really nice, beautiful.
Anyone wants to go to Mudeford Quay?
Really enjoyed this trip.
Very opposite us.
And we will be going back in a few minutes. And the ocean sea is so beautiful. We love it.
You know, as soon as we entered in Christchurch Sailing Club, to see a lot of boats on the water, it was amazing. We saw some small boats. We also saw some yachts. To see them, and it was so nice to see people living on these boats and having a nice jolly good time.
इस बोट से उतरने के बाद हमने सोचा क्यों ना हम एक और बोट राइडिंग पे जाते हैं, और वो थोड़ा सा और एडवेंचरस होने वाला है क्योंकि उसमें हमारा कोई ड्राइवर नहीं है, हम खुद ही ड्राइव करने वाले हैं.
Yes, we thought we'll take this chance because we are not going to get this experience again in Christchurch. So we decided to just go for the plunge. We made a map so it's easy for you guys to understand. We took a boat from Christchurch. We sailed this time on the west side of River Store. We went about 45 minutes one way, 45 minutes back way. So it's about 90 minutes it took us for us to come back.
उन्होंने हमें कुछ बेसिक इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए कि हमें ड्राइव कैसे करना है.
Yes, we thought somebody is going to come with us, but they said, look, this is how you drive to move forward, this is how you stop, and this is how you move backwards, and this is how you turn. Very basic thing. And they said, off you go. Oh, really? They said yes. Then we thought, let's take it a chance and go. We were initially skeptical, but as we started driving, we just realized it was so easy to drive. They didn't even tell us in how many nautical miles you can go because the engine is only designed to take you that forward.
मुझे तो थोड़ा डर भी लग रहा था बिकॉज सेल्फ ड्राइविंग, वो भी बोट, ओ माय गॉड. बट स्टिल चलो, एनीवे सैम वाज विद मी, सो कॉन्फिडेंस था मुझे.
Yes, सही है. Mamta is used to, me driving in the car, but this is a new, very new thing to me. But I thought, let's put our trust in God and then just keep going.
Yeah, it's a different experience and let's do it.
Yes, and then we got the confidence to go, and as we kept going, you can see from my hands that I'm very stiffly steering the wheel, right? Because car to वैसा ही होता है ना, you do it quickly. But here I understood that to make a turn, you need to plan well in advance. So to steer on the right side, you need to use the steering wheel well before time so that it steers you really well. What a great physics! What a great learning experience for us.
या और यहाँ पे आप देखोगे लोग इतना मतलब इन चीज़ों को खुद करना पसंद करते हैं. लाइक इतना मतलब उन्हें एडवेंचर करना पसंद है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे लोग डरते ही नहीं हैं. बट मेरा तो फर्स्ट टाइम था, थोड़ा डर था, बट एज वी वेंट फिर मुझे थोड़ा सा ठीक काम डाउन हो गई मैं फिर.
Yes, As we kept going, you can see, there was a family, a father who was helping both of his boys, his sons, to learn steering. And we thought, okay, we need to make sure that we slow down as well.
Amazing.
Yeah, what a time, right, for us, holiday time, Pei?
Yeah, really, it's a great time.
I think this will be one of the best memorable experience that we ever did together.
Yeah, very true.
They told us to calculate our distance of travel basically by 2 bridges, and when we cross the second bridge, we will know that we have come halfway through of that 45 minutes and we need to take a turn and come back. So that gave us a good reference point. As we were going, I just quickly realized that there was someone who was fishing there. Fishing rod rakke wo kar rahe the. Then I thought, oh, I should not disturb their bait. So I just took a turn. I went on the other side. After me driving nearly 40 or 45 minutes, I thought it's time for Mamta to take the plunge.
Yeah, I thought कि मुझे भी ट्राई कर लेना चाहिए बिकॉज ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस तो बार बार नहीं मिलता एंड मुझे थोड़ा डर था बट फिर भी आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट कि मैंने सैम्स की इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो किया. मैंने फिर एक्सीलेटर को थोड़ा सा मूव किया, थोड़ा मैंने सीखा बिकॉज कार तो ड्राइव नहीं की बट आई कैन ड्राइव बोट नाउ.
Yes, very true. And you know what? I thought Mamta was just effortless. She was able to just pick the instructions and just followed exactly what I was giving her the instructions, and it was so easy for her, I think.
या मतलब मुझे इतना डर लग रहा था पहले बट एज आई स्टार्टेड उसके बाद मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा लाइक एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया एंड आई वाज ड्राइविंग सो स्मूथली.
taken a chance to drive a car, but she's become a captain. Look, she's almost wearing a captain's dress. She's enjoying the ride. Look, I'm going to show you.
So finally we reached back safely and हमने बोट को हैंड ओवर किया.
Yes, we enjoyed this journey really well. Both our boat trips went fantastically well. We hope you enjoyed this video. We have got exciting videos coming up. We have one more day worth of spending in Bournemouth, which we didn't show you. If some of you realized, we had a day 3 video, but we wanted to show day 4. There's a reason why, and we'll tell you what exactly happened on our day 3. So we hope you enjoyed our video. Please do stay tuned for our next video, which is day 3. Some of you would have realized that we actually skipped our day 3 and went to day 4. No, something had actually happened on our day 3. We will tell you in that video what exactly had happened. But that video is going to be wonderful as well, full of nature and amazing things to look into. So thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do watch all our previous videos. And if anything that you loved in this video, please do leave a comment. Until then, it's goodbye from
Indian Londonites.